In today's video, we're gonna be making Haitian Christmas dinner. Welcome to Emma Haitian Food with another homemade recipe. Hello guys, how you doing? So today we're gonna be making roasted turkey, Haitian black rice, potato salad, and lettuce salad. So I'm gonna start by preparing the marinade. So I'm adding some garlic, green onion, some pepper, hot peppers, some parsley, some Maggi. So now I'm giving the turkey a nice wash. I don't want to set up with hot water. And then now I'm putting all the seasoning together to make the marinade. I added some lemon, add the marinade, add some black pepper, paprika, chili, some salt, some ginger, some oil, and mix it up together. And now I'm gonna start marinate the turkey. Make sure I put it all over the turkey, under the skin. And now I'm fill up the inside with onions, celery, carrots. And here it is, guys. The turkey was so nice and juicy, so delicious. I put it on the oven at 450 degrees for about 2-3 hours. And now I'm preparing the potato salad. This is a bechamel sauce that I made, and I added some mushroom on it and cover it up with cheese. Guys, when I tell you this potato salad, it's so good for holidays, like so good, guys. And now I'm preparing the Haitian black rice. Guys, when I tell you this Haitian black rice, also it's a great recipe to add into your menu during holidays. And also, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.